Hi guys, sorry I haven't been around for a while. Been a bit busy doing other stuff. As you can see here, I have a polyphal. I believe I found scale or mealybug on it. I have treated it. It's been repotted. It's been sorted out because it had white patches in the root system, like Roger was talking about, and white patches here. And I mean, as you can see, these leaves are just so floppy. So I think this little one is a little bit stressed. Like I say, I repotted it as well because it was falling out the pot. That's obviously the natural one that's going to fall off. Um, so no sign of flower spikes. The leaves are looking pretty ridiculous. Look at that. So any help on that would be gratefully received. Um, so unfortunately this is the first one I bought, and I was looking forward to seeing that one flower again because it is very, very pretty. And Roger, if you're watching, I think it looks like the kaleidoscope one that your daughter had, that you've managed to nurse back to life. But this one here, I mean, obviously it's got a dose of stress going on there. So I'm just going to have to leave it and see what happens. Up here on my Dendrobium, any idea? I'm beginning to think this might be a keiki because it looks like there might be some little roots coming out there, but I don't know. So any ideas of if that's a keiki or a bud would be gratefully received. And the other one around this corner here, if I spin it round, is doing the same. So I don't know whether it's a bud or a keiki, but either way it's surviving. It looks pretty good, nothing shriveled. It's not even desiccated, and even this bulb at the top here is looking fairly sensible and shiny. That's obviously the cold damage I did, as is the stripes on this leaf. But I mean, as you can see, look, it's all shiny and healthy. I'm looking quite happy. It's obviously slowed down growing for a while because it's cooled off. So that's that one. While moving this to film it, I nearly broke that off. Fortunately I didn't, it's still attached. So that's still growing, that's still coming along nicely. This is the one that's been in flower ever since I bought it, so you know, I'll just leave it and keep feeding it and see what happens. And then when that spike finishes, I will actually cut it off completely. This space in here is rapidly becoming my grow room. As you can see, this has got to be the bargain of the month. I picked that up this morning for 65p, and it's an orange one apparently, of a Thanksgiving cactus. The amaryllis, somebody was selling off cheap, so I bought that at a bargain price as well, and it is putting on, I think it's nearly an inch a day. It is growing like nobody's business. And this little thing is still going strong. My little poinsettia, yeah, okay, it's got some water damage, but you know, it's going to lose its leaves eventually anyway, so you know, the fact that it's still going strong is really good. Like I say, this is the extra table I've put up here, just to give me a bit more room and somewhere else to put some of my plants. To go with this windowsill here, this triffid here, which is putting out seeds and flowers. Yeah, they've all closed up now, but you can see that one just in this one here, just in front of the Thanksgiving cactus that's red, and then up there is the other one. These are all doing fine. I mean, this one has got roots coming out of his ears, there's roots coming out of here. This one's still in flower. This one I stand no chance of staking because of the way it is, but those flowers are getting bigger, and the buds on this one are also getting bigger, so just got to wait and see. These two items are doing really well too. I look quite happy. This one is very happy. Um, you know, he's solid in the pot, and I know they're slow growers, so just let him get on with it now. My main concern this week is this one. Like I say, I treated it with rubbing alcohol, I repotted it, I changed the media, I checked all the roots, I had a little patch in the roots like Roger did, of white, whether they were scale or mealybug I don't know. So hopefully it will come through, but it's not looking good at the minute because it's obviously lost all its vigour. Look, it's just all curled up and not looking good at all. So any help on that would be fine, would be very useful. I'm sorry this is only a short one, but as Roger keeps saying, there's not a lot going on at the minute, because it's winter, and but I'm quite impressed with my amaryllis. It is shooting up like nobody's business. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye bye.